Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is trading at a level of $86.37. Okay, and chances are very high we can see there will be a further upside, because if you look at this particular trend, we have seen that a level of around $87.2 is already being tested, $87.5 is already being tested, and chances are high this particular pattern is supporting this trend. Okay, as soon as it comes close to a level of 87, we can see that this level will move upside, because this is already being weak, so chances are high it will cross that level, and chances of touching a level of 89.3 we can see. Okay, and suppose if the price started going above that particular level, we can see it will go further high, and yes, after that 89.3 we can see it will cross a level of around 91.47, and from there a level of 92. Okay, and once the price started moving up that level, a further upside movement we can see. Now keep it in mind that once the price started going up 92, a probability of crossing a level of 95 also we can see, and if that level sustain, a further upside movement also we can see. Look at this particular trend. See, if you look at this particular trend, this is the trend we have seen, but previously what you have to understand looking at this particular trend, that whenever it was hitting a new high, a fall was coming, and that is after pandemic. Okay, and see, this trend being not followed here, but this is a U pattern forming, and the range bound pattern will form. So chances can be high a further upside movement we can see, till the time it is not going above, no, not going below a level of 85, and once started going below 85, then then the next support is 83, and as soon as it started going below 83, then a further fall we can see. Look at the dollar index also, there is a continuous upside we have seen, and I was saying and telling you that there is a probability that we can see that dollar index can move further upside, as the elections are also coming, and there are events which are very being positive side on the for the dollar index. So chances are high we can see now it is there is a higher chances that we can see there will be a further more upside, because this pattern is also supporting like what we have seen in the crude. Okay, and chances can be high we can see if the price keeps sustaining this level, it can touch a level of 106, and then from there it will cross a level of 106.8, and a probability of crossing a level of 1.7 107.14, and once started going above this level, it will cross a level of 107.5, and then a further upside. But if the price started moving below this level, that means if it goes below a level of 104, then a probability that we can see it can fall further down, and once started moving below a level of 104, then chances are higher that it can go further low. Then there is the probability that we can see the other crude prices like natural gas and can go further upside, because if you look at this trend, we have seen that crude prices, see, most of the time crude prices moves along with the dollar index. Okay, but what we have seen for the next before 2 days, before 2 weeks, we have seen that all the prices were moving in the same when the dollar index is moving in the same direction. Okay, so this time what we have seen, always remember to set your SL if the price is not going as per you. Okay, this is what you have to do. Okay, but once started your profit, then once started profit, now always try to trail your profit, then it will be beneficial for you and your profit will be saved. So if you have any doubts regarding crude, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, particular trend, chances are very high that if the price sustain this level, a probability of crossing level $87.5 will be there, which is already being tested. So chances are it will cross that level, and from there a probability of touching a level of 89.28. If the price keep moving up this level, a probability of crossing a level of 92.181 will be there, and this 92.81 is already being weak, so chances are high it will cross a level of around 94.76, and then a further upside movement we can see. If the price started going up 89, I'll make another video explaining you where it will go. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of around $85, and as soon as it started falling below 85, we will see that it can go towards a level of 84.37, and from there a probability of touching a level of 83.27. Once the price started falling below 83.27, a further fall we can see towards $81.17, and then a probability of touching a level of around 79.26. Keep that in mind that if the price keep falling below that level, a further fall we can see towards 77, because 77 is a strong support, so chances will be high it will go towards 76, and then to a level of 75, and then a probability of touching a level of 72 also we can see, and then further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,